Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can add people on your WhatsApp contact in your favorite list. You can make a favorite list of your favorite person on your WhatsApp so you can easily approach them whenever you want. So if you are doing a business and you want to create your favorite list, then you can do on your WhatsApp account. So for that, just open your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Now, when you open your WhatsApp, click on this call section. In call sections, you can see at the top there is an option called add favorite. Just simply click on this add favorite, and now you can add favorite people that you want. Let's so I will click on contact, and it's showing on my favorite. After selecting people, just simply click on this blue icon at the bottom right side, and you can see your favorite list has been created. Now if you want to add more people, just simply click on this more option, and the top right side click on this icon, friend icon, and now again select other people, and that they will also add to your favorite list. So this is the way how you can add people into your favorite list. Now if you want to remove any people, again you can see at the top there are, at the top right side, the option pencil option. Just click on this pencil option, and now simply click on delete option. You can see at the front of every name there is a delete option. Just delete, click on this delete icon, and you can see the person has been deleted. So this is the way how you can make your favorite list on WhatsApp, and also if you want to delete them, you can do it.